Hey Joanne, this is for you. I'm doing a quick cooker lid tip video because you asked for it, and I've been cooking all day long and I've been using my quick cooker, but I figured I'd take you guys out from the very beginning of what I do in Kate's kitchen. So I store my quick cooker down in the bottom of my counter. When I take it out, I keep it. First of all, I keep it nice and neat by wrapping the cord around the lid and then just tucking it in. Okay, that's the first thing I do. Take this off. The next thing to do is I take out all my accessories. They're all stored inside. Everything that I use in the bath, I store inside. And then I go ahead and plug it in. And as I'm going to cook, the first thing I do is I turn it on SEAR. You'll see that. I turn it on SEAR, and then I hit start. I use it as preheat. And then what I do is, in order to keep my lid out of the way, I just prop it up right on here, and it just slides in. So let me show you how that goes again so you can see. You just take this metal edge, and you put it right into one of the prongs. And that's it. It just stays up. So there it is. I hope that is self-explanatory. I'm not sure it is. Let's see if I can turn this around and give you a tape of what I did. I'll give it a try again. So I'm taking my lid off, okay? You look for that metal edge, and then down there, it's right in one of these edged areas right here, and you just prop it up, and that way everything's nice and neat. Hope that helps you guys. Have a great time. I got to get back to cooking. I have a Tuscan feast that I'm doing for Fanfare Symphony. Somebody bid on it. It went for $1,500, so I'm cooking for 10 tomorrow night over in Nashua. Gotta run. It's time to make my Italian wedding soup. Oh, but I am converting all my recipes that I normally make on the stovetop to the quick cooker. And my kitchen is immaculate, and I'm doing it in like half the time I normally cook. It's incredible. Hey, have a great day. Bye now.